everyone. I'm super excited to host the series, which is Chit Chat with our IB toppers. I am Meenal, the management representative of Kanakya International School Chembur, and with us we have our IB stars.
Adya Shetty.
Pratham Mehta.
Pratham, I would love to know that, your journey with IB Kanakya.
I think my journey has been quite frictionless despite the myth of IB being, these stressful 2 years. I really want to thank all my teachers and especially Prashant sir for never letting that pressure get to us, which a lot of people did, warn us about that, oh, you're going to do the IB 2 years, your life's just gone. But no, I think the pressure never got to any of us.
Yeah, and I think having been in this school for so many years, having all these familiar faces, especially Prashant sir's warm and friendly faces, as well as all our teachers to support us throughout the process, we've always been able to be comfortable and overcome any anxiety and fears because we're in a comfortable environment.
That's great to know that. I would love to know that, what is that one wow moment, when in the last 2 years that you were here with us? That one factor, that one moment you will always love to remember.
So for me, I would definitely talk about the time that we won the NASA Hook Rookie of the Year title. Because we were first comers in that competition with almost zero previous experience in engineering and engineering design. It was quite a moment when we actually crossed the finish line and realized that we had accumulated enough points to win the title. And especially, it's seldom that while pursuing such a rigorous course such as the IBDP, you'd get to also participate in such amazing and once in a lifetime opportunities for extracurriculars. So I definitely think the moment that we cross the finish line is something that I keep rethinking about.
That's great. What was that one moment?
I mean, I think there were a lot of them with
Great.
completing the extended essay, the last exam, hugging my best friend after writing the last paper. But I think the one that I'll choose is all of these on with all of the college acceptances when I got an interview offer from Imperial College. That moment, like I
Wow.
was almost brought to tears.
That's wonderful. They both have scored 40 or 5 out of 45. That's a great score. How did you both manage it? It must not have been easy with the assignments, the curriculum, the extracurricular activities. How did you both manage it?
Yeah, so definitely it was quite a struggle, and there were a lot of highs and lows, and times that I thought I wouldn't be able to finish my assignments on time. But it's really because of the support of our teachers. They've been with us throughout, and they've always come with us every step of the way, whether it meant staying in the labs with us while we were performing our science IAs or giving us just one more round of feedback. And for that, I would really thank them. And obviously, I have a lot of amazing peers who've always been really supportive. So I think that was definitely, they are the reason that I've been able to manage this whole
That's
journey.
great. I think the support of the teachers, the curriculum, and the peers that made it so easy for you. What was your? Was it also struggle or was it like a piece of a cake?
No, it was definitely not a piece of cake, but this, like I said earlier, there was we never let the school never let the pressure get to us.
That's
Even
great.
with deadlines, we always knew that our teachers were supportive, and they all our teachers had an eye on what our progress is, and they tried to help us in the best way that they could. And I think that comfort that we had from the beginning that really paid off.
That's great. They both are IB toppers, but there is one question that a lot of students, struggle to find the right answer, or parents are struggling. Is, IB the right curriculum for us? Now, the two toppers sitting in front of us, how would you like to address this issue? There are so many juniors who are, thinking about it. Is it the right choice we have made? So, what is your take on it?
I think IB is the perfect curriculum for, before college because right now in college, a lot of things like research are very important and the IB trains us for that very well. Like my extended essay, the experience I got doing my extended essay from scratch, even the TOK essays and exhibitions that we did, I think they really they hone certain skills that wouldn't happen in other curriculums, and I would definitely recommend a
So
lot
I
of
think
young students to take up
so
the
that's
IB.
wonderful to know that there is a clarity, and I think the kind of research work that IB curriculum supports is the right thing that for the your career growth. One more thing I would like to understand is that while you took up this journey of IB, what are your future plans, and what is the next step?
So personally for me, I'm pleased to inform you that I have multiple offers that I'm deliberating over. I plan to study economics, and I will either be going to Ashoka University here in India or to UCL in the United Kingdom.
My God, she has choices to make. That's wonderful to know. And what about you?
I will be studying chemistry at Imperial College London,
Great.
and I'm very
So
excited.
heartiest congratulations from Kanakya International School that they have already chalked out here their future plans with us. So let's now that we know about your journey, what have been your ups and lows, how the school has benefited, and now your future career growth is also at the right path. That one line you would like to, or one word you would like to describe your IB journey with Kanakya.
Unbelievable, magical.
Wow.
I would definitely say it's a challenge, but it's completely worth the while.
I think we have got the right answers from the toppers. With this, thank you so much for being part of our journey. Thank you for so much for being part of this series, and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.